Dear students, today we will learn about ICT, basic concept of ICT. Today we will learn about introduction of ICT, role of ICT in society, ICT applications, ICT tools, ICT in teaching and learning. Now, ICT means information, communication and technology. ICT basically in three terms के combination से बनी है: information, communication and technology. ICT means information and communication technology. ICT generally refer related to use of new and modern technology for better storage, for better data analysis, for processing and communication of information. Now, we will learn about the first term, information. Data, which is in the form of 0 and 1, is processed, and after processing, the data is converted in the form of information. So, information means processed data. Information is generally related to data which can be recorded, organized, interpreted in order to convey meaning. In this folder, information is stored. This folder contains the data which is recorded, organized, interpreted, or processed. Now, we will learn about communication. Communication means transfer of ideas and messages among persons, systems, devices, or media such as computer, internet, cell phone, telephone, television, and radio. There are so many medias which are available in ICT for transfer or communication of ideas. The figure communication model show the above basic concept in a clear way. The communication model show the different communication devices and application are used for communication. Now we will learn about technology. Technology is generally defined making, modification, adaptation and uses of tools, techniques, machines, systems for the purpose of solving problem or achieving goal in less time period. The following ICT diagram show the different communication devices and applications are used in information and communication technology. Basic concept of ICT. ICT basically refer to those technology which provide access to the information by telecommunication. ICT is very similar to IT, but it it mainly focus on different communication technology. For example, internet and cell phone are the best example of communication technology and best medium of communication today. Now we will learn about the facility of internet. There are so many facility provided by the internet. One of them is email, electronic mail. Social networking is also the facility provided by the internet. There are so many social networking websites, for example, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Search engine. Search engine is used for searching any information from the web. Facility of cell phone. Communication. We can call to any person at any time with the help of cell phone. SMS. We can send or receive messages, text message or instant message to any person at any time with the help of cell phone. These are the basic concept of ICT. Now we will learn about ICT tools. One of them is computer, audio devices, internet, television, telephone, mobile gadget, social interface, interactive whiteboard. There are so many ICT tools are provided by ICT. Now we will learn about role of ICT in society. Information and communication technology play an important role in our society. There are so many areas where ICT play an important role. ICT play an important role in education, business, training, in health sector, environment, employment or government sector. In this sector, ICT play an important role. The figure, the figure show the role of ICT in a clear way. Now we will learn about application of ICT. With the help of application of ICT, we can understand the role of ICT also. ICT help to communicate with each other by using computer, internet and cell phone. With the help of computer and internet, we can send or receive email. We can connect it to anyone, and with the help of cell phone, we can communicate or call to any person at any time. There are so many facility provided by cell phone. Cell phone, one of them is playing gaming, watching a movie, listening music, etc. Computer and internet are the most significant application of ICT, information communication technology. Now we will learn about ICT in teaching and learning. ICT play an important role in education sector. ICT put positive effect in education sector. There are so many ICT tools are available which help interactive learning and interactive teaching. IT enable teacher and learner to teach well, learn well, present well, work efficiently, share ideas easily, solve different problems easily, gain precise knowledge, achieve goal in less time period. Class. The figure show classroom teaching with multimedia devices. This figure show the above basic concept in a clear way, means this figure show how ICT is used in teaching and learning and play an important role in teaching. सो प्यारे बच्चों, आज हमने बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स को जाना आईसीटी के। आईसीटी के रोल्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया एंड आईसीटी टूल्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया और आईसीटी एप्लीकेशंस एंड आईसीटी इन टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग के बारे में जाना। थैंक यू।